LaborChart is a platform that helps you utilize your human assets in a more effective, more efficient manner. Most companies would be using multiple different types of tools. What LaborChart does is pulls together all these different tools, puts it in one spot, makes it in real time, and then makes it available to the people that need it at the transparency level that is appropriate to that person. The industry is very much lacking a workforce management platform to do what I needed it to do. I started talking to peers in the industry, trying to figure out what they were doing. Quickly found out that they weren't doing anything better than I was. So I ended up peeling out and transitioning out of contracting altogether to just build LaborChart. We have 3 years of roadmap, and it is 100% based upon feedback that we've gotten from our customers. So staying connected with our customers is not a very challenging thing in this industry. They love letting us know what we're doing well and what we're not doing well. It's been key to where we've gotten today. It's very clear where we're doing well and where they would like to see enhancements and improvements. So we take that feedback. That's what we go back to with engineering, and ultimately that's what we build, and that's what shapes the product of how we continue to enhance it. I just built the platform that I wanted when I was a contractor.
So what we used to have was a giant Excel spreadsheet on a whiteboard is what it looked like. On one side was all of our inside wiremen, and on the other side was all of our Sonic Communications divisions. And so every 2 weeks we would move it, rewrite the whole thing over again, and kind of keep going.
We've used multiple platforms for labor tracking, and being that we have multiple branches, each superintendent responded and tracked in a different way.
Not only did we have all these different spreadsheets, we had them for every different branch. So it'd be very confusing, it'd be hard to update. Fortunately, I was at a peer group meeting, and one of our peer group partners was talking about LaborChart.
Biggest thing that LaborChart and where we're going is centralizing and democratizing the information to bring everything together to where any given person can drill in and figure out exactly what's going on any given project at any given time.
Using LaborChart, if somebody's scheduled out on a project that you know starting 2 months from now, you're no longer going to have that human error because you're going to see the conflict.
So it's actually made us better, and then we can understand our workforce a little bit better as well.
There's lots of times where the jobs require certain certifications, and we can go right to that system and be able to find the men that are certified for what we're looking for. So it's quick, it's effective.
It's very difficult to find somebody that's worked at this particular project for this particular architect and has this particular set of certifications. We can filter all that through in LaborChart. As someone that's president of a company that visits all of our branches, it's great for me to be able to go to the app, look up their picture, look up their history, what projects they were on, things that they were connected to, family certifications, and be able to identify them by picture. Because when you get in positions like ours, it's very often you go on a job site, you see somebody, you recognize them, you know they're a long-term employee, and you got to say, hey, you, in lieu of saying, hey, Bill, it's really great to see you. I'm so thankful for what you did in the last hospital project.
With real-time movement, we were able to adjust labor and manpower weekly as the ebbs and flows of the job happen. And what we were able to do is project out weeks in advance where we needed our labor, how much labor we needed, and we were able to move and not disrupt the rest of the company.
Regardless what size company you are, or whether you're a specialty contractor or a general contractor, that this software works, and this software will make you better.
LaborChart's made us better on our own internal processes for tracking information that we never tracked before because we never used it.
Now we're able to just take care of it between ourselves, and either Lori can make changes, I can make changes, and we can do it remotely. That's the best part. During COVID, with working remote, it's been a challenge for everyone. We're really on the same page, being that either one of us can work from home.
This is the software. This is what I've been waiting for. To have this now and to not have it before has been a huge benefit for us.
If someone is considering going with LaborChart for their labor management software, strongly encourage you to do so. It will make your company more efficient, and it will fill voids that you didn't even know that you had.